Jai Mata Di, Happy Navratri.
Yeah, same to you. Are
So,
you
how's
recording?
your day going? How's your day going, sister? How are you?
I am good and my day is going too good. Thank you for
Okay,
asking. So,
okay, then it's nice. So, yeah, as since we are meeting for the very first time, so I would like you to introduce
yeah,
yourself.
yeah, okay. My name is Prarthana Sharma. I am from Madhya Pradesh. I have completed my graduation and I am married. I have two kids. My younger one is 4 year old and elder one is 8 year old. And
Okay.
language. And I'm learning this language because you I watch your first video means I follow very long time to you.
Okay, you are following me for a very long time.
Yeah, so I watch means I have gained courage to seen your video again I seen your video, then yeah, I can do and I started learning this
Yeah,
language.
yeah, yeah. I know about your excitement, means why you wanted to talk to me. Now, finally, you have accomplished your dream, and now you're talking to me.
Yeah.
Okay.
I share my means I share your all not all video, Josh talk video my the because he always say I not do I how can I speak English, so I share.
Your sister.
I share, my younger elder sister, my
Okay.
younger also speaks good English because her education very good. But me and my the both her education not very good because that time we live in village. Means after marriage I live in city, but mm, before marriage I live properly village. So there is not
You
school.
can
That's
say
why
before marriage. You can say before marriage. I used to live in village.
before marriage I used to live in village, and
Yes.
after married when my husband doing job, then I leave city. That's why sometime when my kids holidays
So
I
you are living with your means your in-laws, or you are living separately only with your husband or your kids? Kids.
living with my husband. But yeah, when my kids holidays like autumn
Okay.
vacation, winter vacation, then I'll go to last house.
Especially in summer vacation, maybe.
Yeah, because
Okay.
I'm only one means my husband only one child to my
Okay.
uh,
Your husband is the only one son.
family. So means I take care my mother-in-law,
Okay. So
father-in-law.
it's your in-laws. Definitely, your in-laws are your responsibility because there is no one.
Yeah. So yeah,
So how they manage? You are living here, so how they manage? Who cooks food for them?
actually my mother-in-law, and she is not very old. She used to do
Still seems
all.
young. Still sees young.
Yeah. So she do all work. And
Okay.
my sister-in-laws came there because we are in Madhya Pradesh. So there is means like here we live. So here, if you are married, so you properly live in your large house. But in my side, sometime we go my maternal house. Sometime we leave large house. So yeah,
Yeah, we are allowed to go. We are allowed to visit our maternal house as well as our parental house. Everywhere we can go. There is not
yeah,
any kind of foundation.
yeah. Exactly.
Okay. So should I introduce myself? Shall I introduce myself?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So as you know that my name is Yashoda, and I'm 29 plus. Currently, I'm living in Kaushambi district, which is situated in Uttar Pradesh. And nowadays, I'm just like you. I'm a YouTuber, I'm an English language learner, and simultaneously I'm running YouTube channels. As far as my education is concerned, so I'm intermediate pass. That's it
Mm,
about
yeah.
myself.
So, ma'am,
I
how
haven't
you?
gotten any kind of chance. There were so many problems to complete my graduation, so that's why I couldn't do this.
Now you fulfill your dream.
Yeah, now I'm trying to, because I think qualification, it doesn't matter. The thing
Doesn't
which
matter.
matters, your personality and your achievements. What
Yeah,
kind of achievements you have done, and what kind of dreams you have accomplished just because of your education. Because why we are having education, why we are going to school, why we are studying, just because of we want to grow in our life, or we
Yeah.
just we have to just find a way. First
Mhm.
of all, we just need to um, explore ourselves. What
Ourselves. Yeah.
what I
Right.
want to do, who I am.
Yes.
If the way
This
you
is
are living, you are
nowadays.
liking, you like that way, then
Yeah.
it's good. If you don't like, then change your way and find the way you really like, and find your passion,
Yeah.
and then work on it.
Means that if you have any, so you do hard work and achieve your goal.
Yes,
Yeah.
obviously we can achieve our goal, because sometimes in our school time, means after doing our plus two intermediate class, we are just forced, we are forced to get in a art section or science section, medical section, non-medical section, just because of our parents wants us to see,
Yeah.
to become a doctor, engineer, working in
Yeah.
a multinational company, but sometimes we don't like, we are just doing
Yeah.
ourselves,
You are.
we are just doing it forcefully, we are not enjoying that journey.
Yeah. I, I have one question. How you manage your time?
If you are really passionate, if you're really passionate, the means you want to do any kind of dream you have, you're passionate about your dream, your perseverance, so definitely you're going to find time, you're going to manage everything, because it's
Yeah.
your dream, it's not
Yes.
anyone's dream, it's your dream. You have
Yeah.
chosen this for you, that I want to go, I want to enhance my communication skill or any kind of skill,
Yes.
so
Yes.
it's
Yes.
my dream, so somehow I manage, because in the daytime when I just gave time to for session, I just finding time, I'm just sparing time from my daily routine, from my
Mm-hmm.
time period. There's not any particular time for taking session, for posting videos. And yeah, means in the morning time, usually I get up early in the morning around 3:30 or 3 a.m. So in this way I just manage my time.
I do like this. I used to this thing because I have kids. Mean they when they
But I know
sleep.
that your kids right now, they are too young,
Yeah.
so
So
that's why it's difficult to manage.
so I used to like when they sleep. That time I manage my time.
But I think why you are looking for why you're looking for time when they will get sleep. Okay, just like your babies are there, or you are also free, your babies are also free. Try to recite them stories.
Yeah, I also used to this. It means I learned English. Means my study not very good. I only went to school till 8th standard because in my village there are not school, and I touched English 3 year, but I was very bad. Means all study. I really tell you.
So you
Uh,
recite your babies, you recite your
yeah,
babies bedtime stories at the night time.
yeah. I every
So
day
now
used to
I would
because
like you to recite a story, and just now just make me understand by a story.
okay. So every time first I recite like Johnny Johnny yes Papa. So I say Johnny Johnny like he is Johnny and I am his father. So I say Johnny Johnny.
Okay.
He say yeah Papa. I say eating sugar. So no Papa. I say telling lies. He say no Papa. Open mouth. He say ha ha ha. Means he
Yeah, it's a
enjoy
very
that
funny way
time.
to teach our babies. Okay, I'm saying about stories. Stories. Are you
Okay,
able
story.
to?
Yeah, yeah. Sometime I try to story. It's yeah, it's poem. I recite poem. Yeah, I forget. Story. Which story? Like one lion and a mouse. Yeah. Uh, upon a time, one lion mm, after eating food, he eating rest. Mouse came and started jumping on the lion. The so lion say, who is he's sorry, forgive me. I not do again this thing, and whenever you want my help, so I can help you. So our lion laugh, and little mouse and me. So and he that time he fully eat, so he not hungry, so he forgave him and leave
Yeah,
him,
he forgave him and he let him go.
let him go. So one day lion walking in jungle, and that time one hunter came and making their what's it called, net,
Let,
hunter,
let.
hunter net. So lion catch the hunter net, and uh, crying, help everyone, help me.
He started
So
crying.
yeah,
The lion started crying. Please help me. Please help me.
please help me. One minute, yeah, 1 minute.
Your
Mouse
network is
came
not
and
good.
started
Your
cutting.
network is not good.
Yeah, good. I am just on my Wi-Fi. Now it is good. Help. Mouse came and started what saying cut, cut. What saying cut in English?
Bit.
Chew.
He bite.
Between it. Lion, when lion free, then lion realize ki little things are how much important, means. So they both are friend and they together.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. It's a very nice way. I think you should practice. You should practice a lot to recite story, because storytelling method is a very good method to practice English on our own. We shouldn't need anyone.
Okay.
We are not supposed to find only partner for practice. You are enough for you, and you don't need any partner for practice. Especially don't ask for any person to help you in practice. Means while doing household chores, just practice with yourself. And even they are babies, so just recite them poem and story. And even sometimes what you can do, just on your phone, in your phone you just start any kind of rhyme, means poems, and just start speaking, start singing that poem or that song with your babies.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now I would like to ask only one thing, is how you are working on your grammar part. What do you think, according to you, grammar is important for us or not?
Yeah, little bit grammar important, like tense. Tense is important. I am.
I think not tense, but having only this knowledge, what is past, what is present, what is future.
If you
This
talk
knowledge,
any, you know, means what is past. If you talk about past, so you know, okay, this thing used there. So yeah, little bit no, but not too much, I think.
okay.
Because I not
Yes, yes, you are right. You are
so
right. Because I think grammar is also important for us to become fluent in English. Because yeah, we can become fluent. And but if we are fluent in English, but we are making so many mistakes, and our English is not that much accurate, so definitely it's not going to sound so much good, and we are not going to sound advanced English speaker. So we should work on our grammar part also.
grammar, when you feel I am making grammatical mistake, that time grammar need. It's beginning grammar not need, I think. Means you feel
Yes. After getting some fluency, after getting little bit fluency, then we can start working on our grammar part.
yeah, I feel this thing, and I used to this thing. Now I focus little bit grammar, but not too much.
But I think it's
Yeah.
good. Whatever you're doing, it's good. You shouldn't focus on only grammar part, because in the very beginning, when we start giving our concentration only in learning grammar rules, then we just it's like a trap. Grammar is like a trap. We are supposed to consume so much in a content. We have to come across each and every sentence again and again, and then it will become, obviously it will become the part of our daily routine, and we just keep speaking.
Yeah. Because how you know you start speaking? First means you gain your confidence and start speaking. Push yourself and start speaking. I think it's very nice.
Yes. And this is the same way I started my journey.
Yeah. You know, I see you, then I started, oh my God, she's like me, and
I
she's
saw you. I saw your videos.
I saw your video and I realized, oh my God, his journey like me.
But I realized.
I realized she's like me. So I am doing too much mistake past tense.
I don't know why your voice is breaking up little bit, baby, in between.
Okay. Now reached properly. I
Yeah,
think
now right
network
now it's okay, but earlier whatever you said, I didn't listen.
get what.
I was just looking. I was just looking at your face.
I say I am doing mistake. I think past tense too much. Yeah,
Yeah,
na?
that's why I said you should try to recite stories to your babies, because it's a
Because
kind of a storytelling method. And in storytelling, we should, and the way, one thing you can do whenever you go to bed, just tell to yourself, means speak to yourself or speak in your mind, that means today I got up early in the morning at this time, and then I drank, not drink, drank warm water. Then I got freshen up, and then I prepared breakfast. I brushed my teeth. I had my shower. Then I prepared breakfast, and then I dropped my babies to school. Then I gave food to my husband. In this way, miss, just try to recall all your daily routine and just speak to yourself. Whatever you do in your daytime, just try to recall it at the time when you go to bed.
now I every day I decide today, now every day I recite one story and make my video.
Yes, it's a nice way. If you don't have partner, okay, then just first of all create any kind of story. Okay, not stories from the book, any kind of stories what you want to speak. Just make that story in your mind and then try to speak it.
Okay.
Yeah, and I also try to learn some words day by day. First of all, just try to find out all the words, all the vocabs around yourself, because in your kitchen there are so many words. Okay, it's
Yeah.
like दाल में तड़का लगाते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Do you know?
Yeah, I am frying dal. I'll go frying
Yeah,
dal.
you can
What
also
say?
fry, but the right word is tempering. Tempering.
Okay.
Yeah, there are so many
Tempering.
words. Yeah, there's so many words to learn. Okay, from our kitchen, especially when we go to the market, when we buy vegetables, clothes. There's so many ways to learn, and we just try to use it. And in your free time, try to use all those words. Try to recall all those sentences and words in your mind. Okay.
Okay.